I smell a crime brewing and a mystery is wrapped up in the stench left by feet. This brings me to a random thought.
Somebody help me! Stop! He's taking my purse! Stop! Stop! Oh no! How am I gonna get home? My keys, everything. Police! Yeah, police! Some kid just ran away with my purse. To what? I don't know where I am. Some park or something. I don't know. He was wearing a balaclava or something. I don't know.
I was just closing in on him when he received a call from his mother.
Zach, your feet smell bad. I want you to get in there and wash them. Use the soap.
Wash his feet? No, no, no! This can't be! Feet have their own smell every time. Humans can't stand it. They just don't understand why we'll lay our heads on a stinky pair of feet. Instead, they demand those stinky feet to be washed. People, listen to me! When you wash your feet, you wash all the evidence needed for a crime-busting nose like mine to solve. Down the drain! The suspect got away with another cover-up. It slipped away undercover with the secret squeaky clean soap. Aha! I've tracked the culprit. Mystery solved. That's a detective's life. Case closed. Now, if only Mom would realize that instead of washing with soap or placing the house under lockdown, it'd be much easier to call in a detective dog like me. P.S. Please, Moms, take this into consideration.